ഇപ്പോൾ കേന്ദ്രമന്ത്രി വി മുരളീധരൻ മാധ്യമങ്ങളെ കാണുന്നു, അതിലേക്ക്
The CCTV visuals, both of the Chief Minister's residence as well as the State Secretariat, that was found to be lost. And now the latest thing, there as the agreement which I mentioned to you, consulate and the builder. Against that, the CBI charged the builder as well as the Kerala government agency which entered into an agreement. And Kerala government goes to the court against CBI inquiry. The same government which welcomed, which demanded the government of India to institute an inquiry, they are now going to the court saying that the agency doesn't have the authority to investigate. This shows that those who are involved in the gold smuggling is hand in gloves with those who are in power. This shows that the links of the people who are directly accused of the crime, their links are not limited to up to the principal secretary, but it goes beyond also. One more suspicion that has come up, one more question that is being raised is, normally in every government in the various states, the principal secretaries to the chief minister, they hold the charge of that office only. They don't hold an additional charge of a particular department in the government. That is a general principle. But here, the principal secretary holds the charge of the electronics and IT department of the government of Kerala, and it is a well-known fact that Chief Minister has some relatives who are in the field of IT and electronics against whom there have been allegations. So the Chief Minister's confidence in the Principal Secretary, his close links with the Principal Secretary is beyond doubt. And when a Principal Secretary has been accused of supporting or in a way aligning with those who have been accused of gold smuggling, and that Principal Secretary has been suspended, even though the Chief Minister for the first days, 10 days the Chief Minister refused to do so. After that he had to do. Now the moral authority of the Chief Minister is lost. So the BJP has been demanding, the people of Kerala has been demanding that the Chief Minister should resign, owning the moral responsibility of the whole incident that has happened. So this is the scenario, this is the situation regarding the gold smuggling, which I would like to explain to you.
Thank you, Mr. Minister. Thank you, Muralidharan ji. And very soon the minister would be taking questions in this regard as well.
മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയുടെ ഓഫീസിന് നേരിട്ട് ബന്ധമുണ്ട്, ഗൗരവതരമാണ് ഈ കേസ് എന്നതാണ് കേന്ദ്ര വിദേശകാര്യ സഹമന്ത്രി വി മുരളീധരൻ വ്യക്തമാക്കിയത്. മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയുടെ കുടുംബത്തിലുള്ളവർ IT വകുപ്പുകളിലും മറ്റും ജോലി ചെയ്യുന്നവരുണ്ട്, IT ഫീൽഡ് ജോലി ചെയ്യുന്നവരുണ്ട്. ഇവരിലേക്കൊക്കെ ഈ കേസിന്റെ അന്വേഷണം പോകേണ്ടതുണ്ട് എന്ന സൂചനയും അദ്ദേഹം നൽകുന്നു. ഒപ്പം ലൈഫ് മിഷൻ കേസിൽ CBI അന്വേഷണത്തെ എതിർത്തുകൊണ്ട് ഇരട്ടത്താപ്പ് സർക്കാർ സ്വീകരിക്കുകയും ചെയ്തുവെന്നും കേന്ദ്ര വിദേശകാര്യ സഹമന്ത്രി വ്യക്തമാക്കി.